Welcome back, friends. Previously we solved some word problem in this chapter, okay? Chapter number 3. Today again we will solve some extra questions of chapter number 3 in which you need to find area and perimeter of rectangle or square. So here first example. A rectangular field is 36 meter long and 32 meter broad. Field means it is kind of farm. ओके एक जगह છે જેની લેન્થ શું છે 36 મીટર લોંગ and 32 મીટર broad means this is a breadth. Find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of 8 rupees per square meter. Square meter means it is unit of area. Leveling એટલે આખું જે ફિલ્ડ છે એને એક લેવલમાં કરવાનું છે ઓકે એની બાઉન્ડરી તો લેવલમાં થાય નહીં ઓકે ખાલી બાઉન્ડરી કોઈ લેવલમાં કરે ના. You need to perform the leveling of whole surface area of film. It means you need to find the area of film. So here, कोई पण example आपको એટલે પહેલા decide કરવાનું. What we need to find? It is area or perimeter. It is square or rectangle. And whatever is your answer, you need to write that equation. So here length is 36 meter. And breadth is 32. So area of field is equal to L multiply B. Length is 36 multiply 30. So find the multiplication of these two. It is 1152 square meter. Now here we find the area. Cost of that leveling is 8 rupees per square meter. What is the cost? 8 rupees per square meter means 8 rupees 1 meter no cost કેટલો છે 8 rupees. So we can write cost for 1 square meter is rupees 8. So we have 1152 square meter. So cost for 1152 square meter is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. So it is 11852 multiplied with 8 divided by 1. If you multiply, you will get 9,216 rupees. If you multiply 1152 with 8, you will get 9,216 rupees. Now next one, find the length of rectangular garden of area. Garden is rectangle. Area is given 330 square meter. If the breadth is 15 meter, what you have to find? Length. So here you can write area is equal to 330 square meter. Breadth is given 15 meter and you need to find length. So which equation we will use? Area of rectangle that is L multiplied with 8. This given is 330 is equal to length is not given, so L as it is and 15. Now I already told you that whenever you need to remove this 15, why? Because we need to find L. L શોધવાનો છે એટલે અહીંયા 15 remove કરવા પડે. So 15 take to the left side by dividing 330 divide 50 is equal to L. If you divide 330 with 15, you will get 22 meter. So what is the length of field garden? That is 22 meters. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular garden of length 50 meter and breadth 35 meter at the rate of 12 per meter. Fencing means boundary. આપણે જે wall કરીએ ઓકે કોઈ પણ ગાર્ડન હોય કોઈ પણ ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ પાર્ક હોય ઓકે કોઈ પણ farm હોય તો એની આજુબાજુ બાઉન્ડ્રી કરેલી, that is called fencing. So here the cost of fencing, fencing means outer boundary and outer boundary means we need to find the perimeter. So fencing a rectangular garden of length 50 meter and breadth 35 meter. So here we need to find the perimeter. So length 50 meter, breadth 35 meter. So perimeter of garden, that is 2 multiply L plus B. Equation is what? 2 multiply L plus B. Length is 50, breadth is 35. 85. 50 plus 35 is 85. 85 multiply 2, 170 meter. Now cost is given 12 rupees per meter. Okay, for 1 meter cost is 1 meter is equal to 12 rupees. We have 170 meter, so cost for 170 meter is equal to how much? Cross multiplication, 170 multiply 12. If you multiply 170 with 12, you will get 2040 rupees. This is the cost of fencing the garden. Now next one, find the perimeter of square whose area is 49 square meter. So find the one perimeter. What is given? Area. Okay, what is the equation for a perimeter of square? You can say 4 multiply side. So perimeter find करनी हो तो side ની value જોઈએ. But here in a question side is not given. So first of all we need to find side. Equation શું છે? Perimeter of square, that is 4 multiply side. જો perimeter find કરવી હોય તો side ની value જોઈએ. તો question માં side આપી નથી. Area of square is given. So from the area you can find the side. So here you can start. Area of square. What is the equation? Side multiply side. Here the area is given, so you can write 49 is equal to side multiply side. Now 49 needs to be represented as a multiplication of same number. So 7 7s are 49, so we can write 7 multiply 7 is equal to side multiply side. So side will be 7 meter. Now we have a side, so we can find the perimeter. Perimeter of square, that is 4 multiply side, 28 meter. This way you can find the value of perimeter if side is not given from the equation of area of square. Area નું equation મૂકો એટલે એના પરથી side મળે અને એ side ને use કરવાની perimeter. Clear? Now next example. Manu walks around a square park whose side is 60 meter. One day he walks around the park 3 times. How much did he walk in all? What is the question? એક ગાર્ડન છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે ગાર્ડનમાં જાઓ અને તમે એની બાઉન્ડરી પર એમાં વોકિંગ પાથ હોય, બરાબર? તો વોકિંગ પાથ પર તમે વોક કરો, ઇટ મીન્સ યુ આર કવરિંગ ધ પેરીમીટર. ઓકે, બાઉન્ડરી ઉપર વોક કરો છો એન્ડ બાઉન્ડરી મીન્સ પેરીમીટર. સો મનુ વોક્સ ઇન અ સ્ક્વેર પાર્ક whose side is 60 meter. કેટલી સાઈડ છે એની? 60 meter side. Square means all sides are equal, so you can say it is like this. 60 meter, 60 meter, 60 meter, 60 meter. He start from here and walk around the square park. Means he is covering the perimeter of park. One day he walks 3 times. એટલે 3 times walk કરે છે તો 3 times you need to find the perimeter. So you can write perimeter of square 40 meter. This is the value of one round. આસો આપણે એક રાઉન્ડ. He walks 3 round. Three times. So perimeter, distance walk by him. કેટલું distance cover કરે? It is 240 multiply 3. Okay. 240 is the perimeter. It means he cover 240 meter when he walks one time. Here one day he walks 3 times, means you need to multiply 240 with 3. If you multiply 240 with 3, 720 meter, means he covers 720 meter on that day.